Hi, it's Ben from Startup Sesame, and today I'm here to talk to you about wristbands and how to navigate side events like a VIP guest. Wristbands are a form of culture in the tech event space. Almost like, show me which wristband you have and I'll tell you who you are. As you know, big conferences and trade shows are usually surrounded by a bunch of side events and dinners and parties and so on. Those events inside the event are a great place for business to make new connections with the right people and networking. But the question is, how do you get invited? How do you get the precious wristbands? Now, not only the most exclusive guests get the most exclusive wristbands. No, trust me. If you're not a speaker or VIP, you can still get your name on the list. And I'm not talking about stealing some wristbands. The secret is being aware of the access control and invitation policy of the event. Who are the organizers? Do you know the organizer? Do you know someone who knows the organizer? Can you help them out with anything? Bring any special value of yours? Maybe send out, some recommendations of guests and attendees. Sometimes it is as simple as being nice to the people who are putting out the party, so that when they send out the invitation, they will remember you. You may also want to check out who is putting great money at the event. You see those big stands. This is actually a great place to start with and connect in advance with those exhibitors and sponsors. They usually have a ton of those good wristbands, and after going and meeting them, they'll be happy to hand you over one or two of those wristbands. So play your cards in advance, set up your strategy, and if you do it right, I see you at the next unofficial after party. Hi again, I hope you liked today's event hack. If you did, leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're releasing new videos every week. You might also want to check out our LinkedIn page, the link just below. I see you very soon. Bye.